Hello friends. So in this video we will check for the leap year, and the user will pass the we will get the year from the user, and we will check that if it's a leap year or not. So let's just start. I have already created a directory called leap year checker, and which is currently empty. We will create our C file and just include. Okay, so the only thing we need from the user is an year, so we will get that from the user, and we will prompt the user to enter year, and we will get the input from the user, and we will pass the reference of the year. So there are some certain rules for the leap year. So we need to check that. The first rule is, if the year is divisible by 4, then it means it's a leap year. But not only this means it's a leap year, we have to check one more thing, that if the year is not divisible by 100, then it means it's a leap year. And there's another, which is a confirmed case for the we will check that if the year is divisible by 400, then it means it's a leap year. Okay, so there is an or statement here. We have used the or here. So it's if the year is completely divisible by 400, then it means it's a leap year. But for the other case, we will need to check these both get will get true, then we will get the year will be leap. Okay, so for that we will check like the year is a leap year. Okay, and in the else part we will just simply prompt the user that is not a leap year. Okay, so let's just test this. Okay, I think we got the errors. Okay, oh sorry, we didn't pass the uh, year here. Okay, and also the year is missing here as well. Now we will compile our code. So 2024 was a leap year, so we will check with the 2024. Yeah, 24 is a leap year, and we will check with the 1900. Sorry, we have to run the again. We will check the 1900. 19 not a leap year because it's divisible by 100. Okay, so this is our simple code, and the only thing which is complicated was this rule for the leap year checker. And so if these two gets true, then it will be a leap year, and there is an or statement between these two main statements. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.